Meet Jaheem Sterling, a gang affiliated of Laketown Gangster Bloods. He grew up around the lake almost all his life. This is also the first faction. We start with heavy artillery and we start off rich because we done rebranded our old game when we had our old character that moved to Egypt. But yeah, boys, we got money. We got heavy artillery, feel me? Let me show y'all right now. Hold on. What we got here is a tier 2 Uzi, feel me? Some big, bro, we got some big shit too. Hold on, we got a Draco, gray Draco. We got an AK, mini AK. Pretty much grew up around violence, so I ain't gonna hold you, boys. But yeah, just a little story time about, Jaheem's life. I'm gonna continue it, feel me? I'm gonna be on. But yeah, boys. We just thriving, getting this money up. Said we already rich. We got tier 2 guns and stuff. We just gonna start politicking with new gangs around here, feel me? See what's up with the vibe with them, feel me? And then from there, we about to buy pills, about to politic with some people. I mean, low-key yesterday, I was supposed to record a video, but I didn't record it. But the homie, leader recorded it. So yeah, he got it in his video. I bought pills off of him. But yeah, I'm gonna go cop another set of pills, go to the hood, politic with them. I'll go to the hood right now. Hey, yo. Yo. Yo, who this? PV, right? PV from, who is you from PV? What's your name? I bet. Hey, you got the pills, right? Got the money. You said what? You said what, homie? You said what? You got the pills?
I got the pills in me right now, but back.
Alright, bet. Yeah, those. How much? How much can I get them for? Yo, how much is those? I'm gonna just pass you. I'm gonna pass you 500. I got that. Yeah. Thank you, fool. Hey, any of your other homies outside? Yo, homie. Yo. I think he got VC ban or something. I don't know. Probably. Alright. from me? Chill here for a little bit. See if anybody else gets on. Let me lock my car real quick, buddy. Bro, most of these factions have heavy artillery. I ain't going. Most of these factions have guns. Like big ones. Ain't no little block. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit on my phone till everybody else get on. I'm gonna take a shower, matter of fact. I'm gonna take a shower, yeah, Alright, I'm gonna leave the chain on. Take a good shower. There we go. Couple things to wear. Should I wear this? I can rock this. The whole Nike Tech pant, Nike Tech, fully. Should I just wear some Air Forces? Should I wear some Balenci's? Let me see. Hell no. What are these? Nah. Should I wear some Dior's? Why are my ankles showing like this, bro? I'm about to rock this. This is so cute. Comfy fit word. Nah. Golly. Damn. Let me see. I don't think there's on me, boo. Oh, we matching. Totally matching. Switch on me. Oh my god, I need to wear a shirt over there. You look weird. Now look big. Oh, never mind. Bro, high school. We own the lakes, bro. I mean, you gotta understand, we own the lakes. We own these lakes, bro. I don't know what the hell that feeling is, bro. This whole track and lake, we own it, bro. We own this. Matter of fact, I'm about to take a whole little lap around the track real quick. We used to fish around here. All the fish died. Ate them all.
and down Martin Luther King Drive. Standing tall, looking down on the block. Boys snitching all day, I look around on the block. I'm in a silver and sell 5 pound on the block. Ain't you ever seen a young clad clown on the car? Ain't married to a G gang, spit fluently. Abuse a whole pursuing me as if it's more than fluid. Running my Chevy Urge, and Tuesday is Ocean Blue. 28 sit over you, Ferrari drops and rollers through. Hoes sit them out, TVs I'ma flip them out. 50 bricks, plain shit, tell them niggas ship it out. Coming down, shining rose gold, feeling like a Mac pose. Cadillac with 5 hoes, make these suckers hate mode. Damn right, pimp, we do this every night. With the same big faces, make me lame hoes bite. I got that tar now, I got them tits now, I got.
Well, I'm really fast and furious. Oh my god, I'm distracted. I'm really fast and furious. Stop playing with me, y'all boys. Who's you?
I got the license.
You got what for me? Repeat that. Let me see what you got. What's it? Oh. You got sniper rifles. You got shotguns. Oh my god. I mean, I got switches. I already got the switch. I got a switch on me. But how much is the sniper rifles for? Damn, you got an AK too. Shit. I got many AKs and many AKs. Right now, what I really need is a shotgun. I really need a shotgun. How much is that? Type it in chat. How much is a shotgun? Shotgun is crazy, bro. I need a shotgun. Yeah, either a shotgun or a sniper rifle. I need one of those. How much is that? Cause there's only like 3 in the city, right? Or 2. God, 75K? That's really nothing for her. Damn, that's cheap. Alright, bet I got you with that. I think I got. Yeah, I'm gonna check my safe real quick. See if I got it. I got you. I'm gonna go get it real quick. Hold on. Stay right here. I'm gonna get it. That's cheap. Yo, we about to get a shotgun. I'm about to get a tier 3 shotgun by the plug. I'm about to get a shotgun from the plug. Oh yeah, it's over, y'all boys. It's over, y'all boys. We just started this. We're getting a shotgun from the plug. This is tough. Hold on. Let me. Where's my gun bag at? Okay, there it is. All right. Bro, come on, we about to cop this. Why am I, bro? Okay, let me go. About to cop this real quick. Some plug. Hey, how are you doing? Yo, you I got 100K for you right now. You want 100K? I got you, bro. Give me that. Give me the shotgun and give me a Glock. Whatever Glock you want to give me. I got 100K. I need it desperately. I need a shotgun desperately. I'll pass you it right now. Hold on. Give me the shotgun. Yeah, give me any Glock. Take that, bro. Take that. Take that, homie. Yo. You got it right there, bro. You got the. Oh yeah. Pass that right there. Pass that. Let me see. Woo! Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck did you shoot, bro? What the hell was that? Oh my god, yo. This shotgun is so powerful. Let me get that Glock though. Let me get that Glock too. Whatever Glock you want to give me. This shotgun. Hey, you give me that Glock? I got that Glock. I give you 100K. Thank you, bro. We are 2-3. We have a shotty on us. It's over. Pass that, homie. Come on. Alright, let me get. Oh, we got a 3D printed. Oh, yeah, that's tough. Let me see that, homie. Let me get that real quick. That's a glow. That's a glow block. Ooh. Right there. Alright. Pleasure doing business with you. Hold on, let me close the back. Yo, thank you, bro. I'm gonna hold you, y'all boys. You rich. Still rich, bro. I could either sell this shit for more. I could sell this for more, or I could just keep it and put belt. This is belted. Boy, bro. Oh my God, we got a shot. Niggas ain't on shit. Yeah, we gotta go. Yeah, little boy. I need a little homie come over here trying to gun us up. Go word. When the funk was getting real, you was never off the court. That's right now. Can't get steam with this. Life is there. Let's go, homie. Let me go. And I'm a G baby. I could be 63 years old, I'm still gonna keep draping. But we started this shit off. So, bro, we just started this shit off. A boy now. I can make a famous bitch eat babies. Don't spend it off no more on that side, they don't slide. Trying to see a sucker on the pavement plank with closed eyes. Do a flea flicker on the nigga. Got even clothesline. Just bought a deuce from the plug, I'm sipping both lines. Oh my God, I can't play. Oh yeah. Oh, upgraded. We just upgraded, y'all. Yeah, boys, this is the end of the video right now. Tier 3 gun. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Next video, I'm telling y'all, bro, shit is lit. Next video, we're really gonna put belt. Trust me. Next video, we put in the shotgun torch. How do I tell you? Doing the opti up there. Final one. Yeah, man.